Alright, look at all this friggin' snow. We just got a healthy dumping, another snowstorm. Late in the year for that, but I guess we're getting it. There he is, with the same pants again. Every time I see you, you have a new rip.
Same pants, same holes, different day. This has got to be the best snowstorm we have had all year. Are you down for camping?
1,000 likes and we'll go snowmobile camping.
But look at this.
I know, it is perfect.
I can get the 340, I'll get some gas for it, and we'll rip out into the into the great unknown. And
your 340 is not going to go anywhere.
It is.
I think Mike's Indy needs seals, and you guys agree.
Needs more gas and get wrong.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you didn't even bring the trailer?
No.
The wheel bearing?
The wheel bearing smoked on it, yeah.
Yeah. You can back up right to here and we can unload then.
Okay.
We got to get this guy to come snowmobile camping. You guys got to message him. We're going to ride those sleds out there. We're going to whip them.
Look at this. This is a game changer.
I probably could have found you a dolly. We could have
had nearly as many back surgeries as.
How many back surgeries have you had these days?
14 counting.
14?
Yep.
Different surgeries or different
It's all in the same place, right in the lower back.
the same disc? They have to take discs out of pigs and they put those in my back. I've been trying to get him to get the silverback gorilla discs, but if you get them in multiple discs,
oh, it's cheaper.
A human back sort of rated a little light. See, Jeremy is a silverback gorilla born into a human body here. Oh, this is what they want to see. I could help you, but I'll just film. Oh, tore the plastic.
Oh, I gotta schedule another appointment. Since we don't have the thermostat, it didn't come in the mail. All I got was the head gasket. So we're gonna try to do the head gasket and hope that fixes it. I think it's the thermostat. Mike thinks it's the head gaskets.
Yeah.
We'll start with one since we got it. And
oh, whatever. That's the thing. Whatever you do, you're gonna regret it. So.
Are you doing a wedding this weekend? Or?
Yeah, we do catering for weddings. So if any of you viewers are getting married, Jeremy plays instruments. I just drive the truck. But we cater for weddings too. So
that's our main job.
This is like roller derby type stuff.
It's been a while since I competed in the Vans tour, but
those aren't snow boots. Those are like dress shoes. What are you doing? That is nice, actually.
Head gasket 101, here we come. This is 97 Yamaha VMAX 500. It's a beauty machine. I really like these. I had one when I was a teenager. They're pretty awesome machines.
Oh, you got the key for it, or was that a different sled?
I should have the key for this, yeah. There we go. So actually, my life is such a mess. I don't even know if this is what we need. About 3 seconds here, we're gonna find out if this whole video is gonna be a bust. I can't keep up with
What is it, a calendar?
Yeah, oh, this might be my Sports Illustrated calendar, swimsuit edition. Hey, so I went all out and I bought every single gasket that we need because it was like a $20 difference or whatever.
Is this Rock Auto?
You think this was eBay?
Oh.
Somebody out there in like Michigan or something.
If you work at Rock Auto, I'm gonna give you a shout out.
We had a video lined up with Rock Auto from my old Mazda, but my Mazda was such a piece of it. It just ended up throwing the video out. I didn't do anything with it. It is an SBI top end gasket kit with everything that you need.
I want to get the level a little bit below where we're separating. We can tip the sled up.
You want to take the exhaust off, get a bucket in there. Usually I do this with a flathead screwdriver, but these ones are pretty weak, so there we go.
That came off easy.
And just do this one here. Watch your eyeballs.
On the Ride More website, we're gonna do an eye patch kit.
They had a recall on these for people losing their eyeballs. Here's how we do it. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Haha. Stock. That's how you test for mouse nests. If it has that nice horn of Gondor sound to it.
The Urukai's not splitting this one though.
Now we get a bucket in there, trap all our fluids.
Oh, freaking pressurized. Whoa!
Is it missing? Is there no thermostat?
Is it supposed to be in there?
I think, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I just pulled up a diagram on the old Google. It looks like there actually is not a thermostat. Some sleds had a cover but no thermostat. Others have had the thermostat just removed. Either this sled never came with a thermostat or somebody took it out.
Yeah, so I'm gonna strip them all. Oh, that one's stripped.
Look at the junk that we see in here. I think this needs another flush. Oh, what are we stuck on? Oh, old gasket. And there's no way to tell. I mean, this looks pretty thrashed, but there's really no way to tell if it was this.
Seems like it could have been because it wasn't on there very good.
Still got some gunk. We'll have to take a razor blade to it.
Yep.
And I think Mike might be right. That it might be a head gasket. So we're doing our best to clean up these sides and get right into it.
So over the last hour, I scrubbed this washer.
And yeah, it was so corroded it kind of started wearing through the steel. But I got these pretty well clean. How's your end over there?
Oh yeah, that's all clean.
Good. So we're almost ready to throw the new gasket in. That's a beauty. I bet you could sell it on eBay for 50 bucks. Yeah, here's our new one. They look a little contorted.
That's the way my manifold gaskets were.
Make a good shoe shine boy.
If any of you need your shoes shined for a wedding that we're catering, I will shine them.
We're going to take it a step farther here because we have what we need. Mike and I are going to replace the gaskets underneath here. And what else we got in there? Got some rings.
I think these go to the carbs, and I don't know where these go yet. It looks like exhaust pipe stuff. Two of these are probably one there, one there. I don't know where the other one is.
Oh.
Broke it. You like my shirt?
I do like that, yeah.
This is the OG.
Is it really? That's the one I hand pressed with my own custom made squeegee.
How many of you have an OG Rydemore shirt?
There's been a few people that message me and they say they do. Yeah. So this thing's loose and it has to come directly up off the studs.
We have to separate it somewhere.
Right. Where do you want to go? Right here? Or do you want to do it right from the carbs of boots? Mike just had a quote. He said, if you can't zip it, as in with a power tool, ship it. We don't want that around here.
Yeah, I mean, I could have done the Sawzall.
Yeah, take a Sawzall and then just get access to it, yeah.
No, I was just going to cut this bracket.
Oh. What exactly do you plan on doing with that 52 ounce dead blow? Oh, jeez. Okay, alright, we're going. We're getting there. How are we looking down there?
So yeah, it was stuck there. We buggered it up.
Oh, the gasket, yeah. Good thing we got another one.
There is antifreeze down in there.
As far as the pistons go, they look pretty good. Alright.
So this is a metallic one, like the one we put on the top. The one we have there is not. This is just sludge.
We got two tools that really suck. Pull and release option, and then Mike's turkey baster from when he was a chef at that 5-star restaurant.
They don't know that about me, do they?
They don't now. Ooh, yeah, drop it back down in there. What we got? What we got? Oh yeah, you sure do know your way around a sucker. So right now we're trying to get all this nasty sludge. God knows what it is, but look at that.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
What does that taste like?
It tastes like a little hint of mustard, and it's like you know, the texture of like a banana.
It looks like what you get out of plumbing pipes. Maybe the kid threw a pack of graham crackers in here before he sold it to you.
Oh man. And I've been working at this for a while.
I don't think anybody takes the time to clean these out ever.
If we do have the right gaskets for our exhaust here, we're going to replace those. So somebody tried to RTV the gaskets back in place, or around the gaskets for a better seal. Yeah. We do have a small exhaust leak, which is why Mike and I are just going for it. Plus we got the gaskets anyway, but...
Get those guys cleaned up?
Nice.
Let it dry out a second.
Alright, put our new set of gaskets in there. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Oh crap.
I did match them up, and that one was a little bit bigger, but just on the side, so it's just going to stick out a little bit more. But other than that, everything fit well. We're going to have to do this very difficult task, pinching the rings.
Well, I'm going to hold my hand underneath.
Yeah, I'm going to try to fit this on there, which we can't do on camera, so give us a minute and wish us luck.
There is an opening for a tripod operator.
That's right.
For the Rydemore channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3,000 of your friends.
That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. We actually split it in half. We did this side, and Mike just held underneath the piston, grabbed the rings, and we were able to just pop it right through. Pretty easy. At this point, we probably should have just done new pistons and rings, but next time we'll just get quicker at this process. 24 foot-pounds for these, and then the head is 16 foot-pounds. Mike's going to zip them and then torque them. Click, click. Pretty nice.
Yeah, we're going to have to clean this side, though.
The moment that we've been waiting for on this whole journey through the motor of this snowmobile is the head gasket. I believe it'll go on just like that. Try not to. Just like that.
Yeah, that's how it was.
Look at that. Once we zip her down, I think we'll be good.
Okay.
Looks flush on my end. I know you're anxious to get that zipper going. Alright, throwing the finishing touches on this here. Oh, we still got to get this on there. That's going to be a pain.
Yeah,
but
it will be.
really all we got to do is hook up the coolant lines, put the airbox back together properly, and get the exhaust on. Alright, Mike. Everything's put back together the way that it should be. We just topped it off with coolant, fresh coolant.
Yep, new gaskets all around.
See what happens.
Turn the fuel on.
Turn the fuel on, turn the key on. I think this likes full choke start. Should we put this outside?
Yeah.
Moment of truth here, ladies and gentlemen. Particularly the ladies. 1, 2, 3. Right out of there. Now what are your odds? Tell me they're better than 50-50.
I think you're gonna rip.
I think some ripping's gonna
Even if your coolant's bubbly, you're ripping.
Second fall. We gotta let it warm up a little bit.
Warm up?
Yeah.
You don't let your sleds warm up.
I do.
You gotta take a rip through the field. Smoky. How many of you are long-time subscribers? Who's been here since the beginning? You guys remember we used to take KLR trips? You think we should do that again? I want you to comment down below where you want to see us go next. How many of you guys are here just for snowmobiles?
It's not bubbling. But is it on fire? We're burning something up here, but is it just antifreeze?
How do you know it's not bubbling?
I don't hear it. Remember it was bubbling up from the bottle?
Yeah, but this isn't even warm.
No?
You didn't rip it hard enough.
All right, Mike says he's got good eyes and he can withstand the pellets of snow hitting him in the face, so take it for a little rip ski. Tell me what you think. I wouldn't go too far with it, but...
I'm just gonna hit the hill.
Okay. There he goes. He's trying to pull some wheelies. It sounds all right. Sounds like she's ripping just right. Sounds like a screaming demon.
You need to wear earmuffs in this one. I think we're good.
You think she's good to go?
Yeah.
We got coolant in the lines. This is not about to explode. All right, man. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Now we got a new ripper.
Want to take it camping next week?
Maybe. You guys want to see a camping video? Let us know down below. I think we got ourselves a fantastic little ripper right here. We're going to do some more testing with it and we'll probably do a riding video. But so far looking good.
Don't forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell. And then if you're really good follower, go back to the beginning and watch this video again.
And the more you do that, the more shops we can build. All right. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.